I've been reviewing my poetry and it's all shit. It's really shit. All this Facebook stuff I've been practicing on. Maybe it's in line with the world movements of all the people that go on Facebook. I don't know. I do like Facebook. Anyway, I'm practicing again. So you'll have to put up with me. This is called Far. Has it gone too far? Have our imaginations been overstretched? Elastic band ready to snap? Because it has all been done before and you can't teach your grandmother to suck eggs. Explorations into outer space in a cellular probe to find the answer. Do not attend. Equilibrium disconcerting, bipolared nations. Time to stop the rot. Let the robots be robotic and the humans slip on banana skins as I climb to the top of the tree to look out and see. Alchemic remedy. Armageddon, divination, apocalypse, descent into spirituality. Yes, it's coming. The world in a jar, to see the new dawn rise in a sky so far. Thank you.